Hello and welcome. For this project, you'll need a soft, stretchy, and fluffy sock. This type of material will hide all cuts and imperfections. Find a seam on the tip of the sock and cut just above it. Leaving the seam on will help to keep the cut from overstretching. Then find the heel and cut 2 holes for the legs. The distance between the holes should be about 3/4 of the distance between dog's legs to allow material to stretch. All done. Let's try it on. It fits. Look how cute. And you still have the second sock in case something went wrong. Time to play. Thanks for watching.